Hey everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday. This week I'm going to be talking about a tool that I use for project management as well as property management. And in each case, I will have typically a template created, and then I can just copy that template for that particular property. This tool is called Asana. And if you're not familiar, I'm going to direct you over to their website, asana.com. They do have a free tier, which makes it really easy to get into. But what's really powerful here is that you can create a project for that property and then subtasks under that property, and then invite your contractors or your team members to that project and assign them accordingly. And then you can collaborate and have any discussions regarding that task or property right there within Asana. So it keeps everybody on the same page, and it keeps that work and information consolidated to one platform. I've had very little pushback from any contractors when I'm using this type of tool. In fact, this has probably been one of the single most important tools that I've incorporated to make things as smooth as possible. So let me know. Send me a quick email to reimastermindnet@gmail.com. Or even better, DM me or call me out on Twitter, REI_mastermind, if you'd like me to go through in detail how I use this tool. Appreciate your time. If you found any value here, can you do me a quick favor and send it on to a friend? I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.